21st century technology comes to Piney Woods School to power its campus thanks to a donation from Tesla Energy.
Yeah, students will be involved in the process of installing solar panels all across the campus, and that's to save energy and learn about technology and innovation. Here's Rosalind Anderson.
The solar field will sit right at the entrance to our main farm, visible from Highway 49.
Piney Woods School President Dr. Will Crosley is talking about the location of the majority of solar panels which will be installed throughout the campus. Tesla Energy donated 350 solar panels to the boarding school when students started a GoFundMe page for the project.
Ultimately, it's a learning tool for our young people. They'll learn something about physics. They'll learn something about entrepreneurship. But fundamentally, internally, we hope that they feel empowered and enlightened.
The solar panels, valued at $60,000, will be installed on dorms and buildings. Dozens of students will be involved in the process, from planning and construction to installation.
It's all for the betterment of the school, because it's all about school spirit and being able to contribute and leave a legacy. And that is something that is very important for every generation of Piney Woods to do, is to leave a legacy.
It's going to reduce the carbon footprint of our environment, and this is going to reduce our bills. So more students are going to come, and we're going to widen our student body.
The first phase of installation is projected to save the school 15% on energy usage.
It gives our students an opportunity to contribute to the society in which they live, to our neighbors here, and to the world.
Installation of the solar panels is scheduled to be completed this spring. In Rankin County, Rosalind Anderson, 3 on your